business related if you are able.
Player 01, this is Mars Radio. Copy. Code match. Change to my frequency 13.985. I say again, 13.985. Return here if no response. Over.
Player 01 copy. Switching 13.985. Over.
Roger. Mars Radio out. Clear. Over.
Got you, Lima Charlie as well. Ready with phone number when you are over.
Player 01, this is Mars Radio. Ready to copy your number. Over.
Phone number is as follows. Area Mars Radio, Player 01, have a good copy, over.
Player 01, is this official or morale? Over.
This will be a morale call. Someone wants to talk to his family.
Player 01, this is Mars Radio. I need the caller's first name so I can identify who is calling.
First name will be negative. Just a direct phone call, please. Over.
Player 01, this is Mars Radio. Please wait while I get your party on the line. Out. Mars Radio, I have your party on the line. Please start the patch on your end. And remember to say over when you are finished talking. Your party is listening. Please start the conversation. Over.
Hey, baby girl. Can you hear me? Over.
Yes, I can hear you. Over.
Yep, just letting you know we're calling you from over Tennessee. And I just wanted to see how the packing and everything else is going. Over.
It's going well.
Yeah, that's funny. I don't have nothing to say. Just wanted to call you. Say I love you. I'll see you in a couple days. Over.
Goodbye from the crew. Over.
Hello? Hey, Tyra, we're going to hang up unless you have anything else. Over. Mars Radio, Player 01, doesn't have any more phone calls. We do have one question. Where are you operating out of?
Player 01, this is Mars Radio. It's Erie, over.
Copy all. We are in Bravo, based out of Dallas. We appreciate your help today. You have to look at over and out.